And today what you're looking at is the opened up V6 3.6 engine from General Motors. And what we're going to talk about is carbon buildup. So when we burn air and fuel in this engine, it goes eventually down these tubes and into the engine to be burned. Anytime we burn fuel though, or anything, it leaves behind carbon. So we talk with people all the time about what's called an induction flush. And here's the reason why. I'm going to zoom down in here. And if you see that valve, see it's got that ring of stuff around it right there. See that? That's all carbon built up on the valve. And as that goes on and on and on, eventually this will cause engine problems. So what we recommend that we do, I'm going to swing over here, is what we do what's called an induction flush. We take this tall can here of induction cleaner and we pour it inside this canister, and then we hook air up to it and we pressurize it, and there's a little nozzle that plugs in here, and we actually spray this in the engine while it's running. And what this chemical does is it actually dissolves carbon. Then we put this other can in your fuel tank, and that goes through the fuel system. But that's the whole goal, is to dissolve the carbon on these engines so we don't get this type of stuff happening. And this could literally be thousands of dollars repair that could be fixed with just a little bit of maintenance and doing an induction flush, a couple, I don't know, every 12,000, 24,000 miles, something like that.